Hello students, this video is for the students of class 3 and the subject is GK. In today's class, we are going to learn about the famous sobriquets and also about few interesting facts and information about science in second part of the video. Famous sobriquet. What does the word sobriquet mean? A sobriquet is a nickname that people give someone or something. It can be an assumed name. For example, Mohandas Karamchand is known as the father of the nation. Bangalore is known as the Garden City of India. Now, children, open to page number 6 of the textbook and let us solve it. Do you know the names of these places? Then fill in the missing letters. Number 1. Land of the midnight sun. And the answer is Norway. It is called so because the northern part of the country is located above the Arctic Circle, where the sun shines 24 hours a day from mid-May to mid-July. Number 2. Land of the rising sun. And the answer is Japan. It is known by this name because the sun rises first at Japan, then in the rest of the world. Number 3. Eternal city. And the answer is Rome. Rome is about 2800 years old. It is called so because despite its age, the city has continued to grow in terms of its size, power, splendor, and influence all over the world. Rome is famous for its stunning architecture. The smallest country in the world, that is Vatican City, is in Rome. Number 4. Land of thousand lakes. And the answer is Finland. It is called so because there are 1,87,888 lakes in Finland, which makes it so famous. Finland is a place in northern Europe where glaciers have melted into thousands of small water bodies. Finland is a beautiful place with the rolling hills, glittering lakes, and the dark green forest. Number 5. Pink city. And the answer is Jaipur. Yes, it is in our own country. It is known as the Pink City due to the dominant color scheme of its buildings. It is located 268 kilometers from the national capital, New Delhi. It is the most colorful city of India. Queen of the Arabian Sea. And the answer is Cochin. It is called so because it was an important spice trading center on the west coast of India. It maintained a trade network with Arab merchants from a long time. Number 7. Land of the white elephants. And the answer is Thailand. It is called so due to the large population of white elephants found within the country. White elephants are regarded as the holy creatures and as a symbol of divine and royal power in the country. Number 8. Cockpit of Europe? And the answer is Belgium. It is called so because it has been the site of more European battles than any other country. Belgium is a country that is located in northwest part of Europe. Number 9. City of skyscrapers. The answer is New York. It is called so because many of the tallest buildings of the world are located in New York. For example, Trade Center, Park Avenue, and Empire State Building. Number 10. Windy City. Chicago is the answer. It is called so as the frigid breezes blow off Lake Michigan and sweep through the city's streets. Students, now let's discuss about a new topic, that is science trivia. Science trivia means a collection of interesting facts and information about science. Science is a box full of information. Now children, let's solve the exercise on page number 30 of the textbook. Science trivia. Fill in the blanks with the correct options. Number 1. A device used to measure the human body temperature is called a, and the options are A. Telescope, B. Barometer, C. Thermometer, and the right answer is thermometer. So children, put a tick mark on the word thermometer. Number 2. The outer ear and nose are made up of tissues called, and the options are A. Cartilage, B. Muscle, C. Bone. The right option is cartilage. Number 3. The green colored pigment in plants is called the, and the options are A. Chlorine, B. Chlorophyll, C. Photosynthesis, and the right option is B. Chlorophyll. Number 4. Malaria is a disease caused by the bite of a, and the options are A. Mosquito, B. Housefly, C. Honeybee, and the right option is A. Mosquito. So children, put a tick mark on the word mosquito. Number 5. The main constituent of blood is, and the options are number A. Acid, B. Water, C. Plasma, and the right option is C. Plasma. Number 6. Fish breathe through their, and the options are A. Fins, B. Gills, C. Nose, and the right option is B. Gills. Number 7. Animals without a backbone are called, and the options are A. Mammals, B. Vertebrates, C. Invertebrates, and the right option is C. Invertebrates. Number 8. The change of state from gas to liquid is called, and the options are A. Evaporation, B. Condensation, C. Vaporization, and the right answer is condensation. more about. The eye is one of the sense organs of our body. Eye is used for sight, one of the five senses. Retina, cornea, pupil, iris, cilia, choroid, and sclera are some of the parts of the human eye. Night blindness is a disorder that occurs due to deficiency of vitamin A. Quick facts. The thigh bone, called the femur, is the longest bone in the human body. Hydrogen is the lightest gas. Now children, let's discuss a few more interesting facts. Name the five human senses and the answer is sight, touch, smell, taste and hearing. Did you know children that the boiling part of water is 100 degrees Celsius? That's just under 3 times our body temperature. What material is picked up by magnets? Metal. And the answer is metal. Did you know that a compass uses a magnet to help people find their way? This is because the world has magnetic poles that the compass needle is attracted to. What three things do most plants need to grow? And the answer is sunlight, water and soil. Did you know that the adult human body has 206 bones in it? What powder do flowers make? Pollen. Did you know that the earth revolves around the sun, which determines the length of our day and our seasons? Which force stops human from floating into the space? And the answer is gravity. What are the three major types of rocks? And the answer is sedimentary rock, metamorphic rock and igneous rock. Did you know that sedimentary rock covers about 75% of the Earth's surface, but below that 95% of rock under the crust are igneous rocks. What word would you use to describe a material that you can see through? And the answer is transparent. What gas do trees produce? Oxygen. Did you know that elephants are the only animals in the world that have 4 forward-facing knees? Every other 4-legged animal has at least one pair that go the other way. Which is the largest land animal? And the answer is elephant. What helps to pump blood through the entire human body? The answer is heart. Which animal is best adapted to the desert? Camel. Did you know 3/4 of the earth is covered with water? When astronauts first saw the planet from space, they could mostly see water, so they called it the blue planet. The oldest living tree in the world is in California and it is around 4,843 years old. Venus is the hottest planet in our solar system. So children, I hope you enjoyed today's class. Thank you, children.